A young man accidentally dripped his blood onto a dried skeleton by the roadside. In an instant, flesh and blood grew on the bones, and 3 seconds later, the divine beast was resurrected. To repay the young man for saving its life, the divine beast spat out a martial arts manual from its mouth. The moment he opened it, countless golden figures flew out from the book and entered his mind. Not long after, he mastered supreme martial arts and became invincible. But instead of challenging the world's top fighters, he hid his identity and set out to find his long-lost family. Unexpectedly, on the way, he ran into his own sister being hunted by beast men.
Vivian, you're not getting away.
So despicable. You lured me here.
Don't bother fighting. We orcs are blessed by the mighty Leviathan. You humans will become our servants. It's only a matter of time.
Don't hurt the innocent! Let this butcher go!
Life or death, she still cares for others. What a kind knight.
A pig-stinking human butcher. So what if I killed him?
Young man, I'll hold them off. Run!
Go to hell! You wanna die?
Did those orcs hurt you, young man?
Not at all.
How did you get me out of there?
Remember, you are a god now. Do not lightly step into the war between humans and orcs.
I grew up in the mountains, quick on my feet, so I carried you off in chaos.
Thank you for saving me. If Father hadn't sent my little brother away, he'd be this age now.
Where do you live, my lady?
The Lionheart fortress. My child. You must be safe and sound.
Shut up! Orcs are out there slaughtering people left and right, a useless trash. Couldn't even gather air at 3. He's long dead out there. Left and right. A useless trash.
Your Grace, madam! Lady Vivian's back.
Vivian! Mother, I'm all right.
Thank you, young man, for saving my daughter.
No big deal.
So what brings you to Frostwolf City, young man?
I live in the mountains, killing boars for a living. I'm looking for my family with this Mythar pendant. With this Mythar pendant.
Do you like it?
Thank you, Mother. I love you.
No, Richard, no.
3 years old and still can't gather aura!
No, Richard, please.
The North Duke's house was born to fight orcs. How could I father such a useless brat? What a disgrace!
He's your own son!
Tell everyone he's dead. Send this trash away. I never had such a son.
My boy, he's grown up.
You helped my daughter. Stay a few days. I'll help you find your family.
I made the pendant myself. He's my boy! Why won't you admit it? He's my little brother. Mom!
Owlity is to protect human lands. A pig butcher? Why would we ever claim him? You're not ashamed, but I am!
No, don't, Richard.
You two, stay away from him! Admit he's my son, and he dies!
If I could scratch that stele with my sword, we wouldn't have to fear the orcs.
The holy stele is made of star metal. Only the top one on the Saint Temple rank can leave a mark. Train harder.
Hey, butcher, ever swung a sword?
Skinny arms, skinny legs. Be glad you can kill pigs. Get lost! Really that hard?
Arthur! Arthur, I got you some clothes and lining. Try them, see if they fit.
The Blood Axe tribe has to go through Lionheart Paris to raid human lands. They've been restless again, could strike any day with their orcs. While Vivian heals, you don't slack off. Today, I'll train you myself.
For the glory of Lionheart!
The holy stele! The holy stape! It's been split in two!
The cut is perfectly clean. Even the magic aret has been destroyed. This was cleaved open by a single strike of pure, terrifying power.
Even Master Lancelot, top one of the Saint Temple rank, can only leave an inch mark with all strength. Yet this person split it in half. He's far stronger.
With him on our side, the orcs won't stand a chance. Then Lionheart Fortress can rise to its peak again and hold the walls!
Yes. But where is such a godlike warrior now?
The only stranger who came to the training ground today was Arthur. Could it be him?
My boy. He's grown up.
Madam, why are you crying?
Just got dust in my eyes, I'm fine. Do the clothes fit?
Why I feel it hurts when she's sad. They fit.
That's good. I heard you lived in the Mist Forest for years. Did your master treat you well? Did you go hungry or cold?
He treated me well. But I still worry about my family, especially my mother. I want to find her, ask why she had me, then left me.
You came from your mother's flesh. She has to love you. All these years, she's surely been suffering while searching for you.
I don't blame her.
Arthur.
I made these breads myself. It's a long journey home. Take them with you. And in this cold weather, you really should dress warmer.
Madam, you're so kind to me. I wish you were my mother.
Actually, I am your...
human scuts! Still kicking!
Madam, what were you about to say?
The orcs are here. My boy's too weak. He can't be caught in this. Nothing. Arthur, take your pack. Go through the backyard secret path. You'll be safe.
The Duke may not be fond of me, but the Detress treats me well. I need to see what's going on.
Zalrok! What do you want?
Can't you tell?
Arthur, why are you still here? Leave now before you get caught in this.
Don't worry. I can protect myself. And you too.
You pig-stinking butcher! Got no shame, talking big like that? Get lost! Stay out of Knight's affairs!
Leave?
No one's leaving! You humans will all be our orc slaves by the end of today! I will defend Lionheart Fortress to my last breath! Defend!
Run.
You think you're still the Duke you were 20 years ago? What's that supposed to mean? We orcs are blessed by the mighty Leviathan. Taking Lionheart Fortress is only a matter of time!
That Leviathan, why is it so familiar?
The Lionheart has guarded human lands for 100 years! We'll die before we yield! For the Lionheart's honor! Richard! A duel to the death! Do you dare? Let's settle it! Fight to the finish! Beat my son Zalrok, and we retreat. Lose! Your lands are ours, and every human will serve us or orcs as slaves for life! If no one dares to fight, then strip that human woman naked and send her to my bed.
Shut up!
If she knows how to satisfy me, I might just spare your sorry hides.
Zalrok! I'll fight you!
His swings are too slow, every move gives him away.
Pig butcher like you know anything about swordplay? You old fool.
Lionheart Fortress has fallen so low you need a butcher to save your sorry hides.
That pig-sliving trash is not my knight!
Zalrok's known for his wild, brutal strikes. Sure, he's slow, but Arthur's never trained. How could he even spot the weakness?
Zalrok hits hard, but wide and reckless. Geralt, sidestep, and go for his left leg!
Thanks for the tip, Gowan.
Impressive. Even I didn't spot that weakness. That's my senior squire.
They're walking straight into the Orcs' trap. Gotta find a way to warn them.
My right elbow just went numb. Now I gotta pause for air every 3 swings. My elbow just can't take it.
How could that low-born butcher see through Garrock's flaw?
Just hearing the fight made his hands go soft. Useless fool.
Every 3 heavy strikes, Garrock's right elbow goes weak. That's our chance. My father fought for 40 years, never noticed that. Does Arthur really have no sword training?
Geralt! Listen to me! Strike his left leg!
Stupid. That was a trap. My stance is rock solid.
Impossible!
Thinking you're good enough to give orders? If he dies, it's all on you.
You bastard! Lady Knight's got some sharp eyes. 1, 2, 3.
Well done! That's right! That's my daughter.
Arthur was right, but he's never trained in sword Mistrip. No way.
Grom, you lost. Take your orcs and get out of the north.
Lost? My son fought 2 of you and wore himself out. You only won by luck! Now, you face me!
You go back on your oath! Do you want every soul in Western Europe to laugh in your face?
Dead men can't laugh at me.
So this is the power of Tridge of St. Temple rank. Even Gawain, a high-level knight, can't stand a chance.
Richard, you old fool. Cling to your shabby fortress. Then don't expect mercy from my axe.
Lionheart Fortress Century of Glory ends not with me! You've attacked us time and again! Don't blame me when I take your head!
Richard, your aura is fading. Can you even lift your sword?
The Duke won't last 5 moves.
What the hell are you talking about, Pig Slayer?
The Duke's battle isn't for you, a worthless farmer, to comment on.
Enough! Arthur saved me.
Three. 2. 1.
Richard! Father!
You're too weak, old man! No human can beat my father! So come on, let's see all of you try!
I'll go. Vivian, even your father can't beat him. You shouldn't... Mother, I'm a knight of the Lionheart fortress. Even if I can't win, I have to fight.
You're ranked 30th, and you think you can fight my father? Just give up, little chick. You've got some looks. How about being my maid?
Never!
It's your honor my son is interested in you. Do as he says. I'll let you live.
Even if I die, I won't surrender to you orcs.
Then go to hell.
Vivian!
So, none can save the Lionheart fortress today?
No! Grom will really kill Vivian! Arthur, I am the Duchess. Now my land is in danger. I must go.
The pendant.
Actually, I'm your mother. The greatest regret of my life is not being able to protect you. But now, before I die, I can see you're alive and well. That's enough for me. This conflict has nothing to do with you. Leave now, before the orcs take over.
So that's why she felt so close. She's really my mother.
Since you're all so stubborn, I'll slaughter your whole family!
Click the link below to watch the full video.